All right. It's your boy Al Bennett back again. Grub reviews, and I got to order some food from Twisted Burgers. I don't know if y'all heard of Twisted Burgers or y'all got Twisted Burgers in your area where you at. But if you don't, and you come by Flint, and you in Flint visiting, Flint, Michigan, try out Twisted Burgers. So what I got here is this is called the Southwest. Damn, this bitch big. Boy, that boy big. This is the Southwest burger. You got onions, pickles, lettuce, tomatoes. I think some Southwest sauce, Swiss cheese. Then here, it's an egg on here too. It's an egg. So yeah, that boy big. And right here, I got some cheese fries. So let me go ahead and take a bite. Let y'all know what's poppin', man. Yeah. All right, bite. First bite. Oh, and it's a pretzel bun. This is a pretzel bun too, awesome. Damn, this boy big and juicy. All right, here we go. Mmm. I don't this thing big, man. Huge burger. Couldn't even bite into it. That sauce, Southwest sauce, a little spicy. It's a little spicy. That Southwest sauce. But good at the same time. So it has like two patties on the thing with the egg. This burger crazy. All right, my second bite. It's good. It's really good. Oh, that Southwest sauce kicking. With the burger slapping. Juicy. Big juicy burger. All right. Next is the cheese fries. All right, here we go. That cheese good. That cheese nice and hot. Yeah. They should have gave me a whole bunch of napkins. They should have gave me a whole bunch of napkins. Cause this burger, man, you're gonna need a whole bunch of napkins for this burger. So, yeah, the fries good, cheese nice and hot. So, this was called a Southwest burger. Thing huge, man. Let y'all check it out again. Huge. Can't even pick that boy up. It's just pick it up and try to bite into it. It's crazy. But I'm about to go ahead and rate this stuff, man. The Southwest Twisted Burger. The Southwest sauce they put on there, a little kick in it a little bit. Not too much, but a little bit. Now you can add many toppings you want on there, or you have less. I got a lot of toppings on there. I got jalapeno, pepper, jalapeno, pickles, less tomatoes, onions. Then I got an egg on there too, in there too. So you can customize it how you want it. But the Southwest Burger, I'm gonna give it like an 8. I'm gonna give it an 8, man. I'm gonna give it an 8. Pretty good burger. It's up there. It's up there in my top 10 burgers. If I want to, let's see. I'm gonna say Five Guys is probably right above it. And Twisted Burgers, like right here, right? One over this. Because Five Guys is pretty good. It's pretty good too. But it's in the top. It's gonna be in the top 10 with Five Guys. The cheese fries, pretty good. The fries is real crispy fries. They not soggy McDonald's fries. These are like real fries. And that's why I like. They crispy. Got a nice amount of salt on it. Nice amount of cheese on it. The cheese is hot. Cheese is good. I like the cheese on there. If I rate this will be the cheese fries. I rated I might have to give it an 8 too. I might have to give it an 8 too. I might have to give it an 8. It's pretty good. I like the cheese on it. Kind of remind me of like some Wisconsin cheese. But yeah, man. If y'all got Twisted Burgers near you, check out the Southwest Twisted Burger, cheese fries. If y'all don't, and y'all in the Flint, Michigan area, try out Twisted Burgers. Southwest Burger, cheese fries, man. It's your boy Al Bennett. Grub Reviews. I'm gonna holler at y'all with the next one, man. Peace.